All right, guys, welcome to the Thursday directions and obviously the attendance. This is going to be a short one because we're still working on the Faro project. Again, some of you guys turned it in, which is awesome, but you're just making your way through the checklist here, making sure you have each one of these as always. By now, you should have already picked a Faro and you should already be kind of working your way down here. As always, if you're curious on how I'm going to grade, it's right here. If you have any questions or concerns about the project, let me know. Again, due Monday, 8 a.m., so you have the whole rest of the week and the weekend to get it done. So no excuses on that. I'm expecting some pretty good stuff because you had a lot of time to work on it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just keep working away at the Faro project. Tomorrow we have our Zoom meeting, so make sure you're showing up for that. Again, make sure you check the email and make sure you're showing up for the right schedule. Attendance things, again, if you are on my list as an in-person student and you're not in school that day but you check in online, I still mark you unexcused. That's what I was told. So make sure that if you're in person, and make sure you're actually showing up and not just checking in. If there's a situation where you are temporary distance learning but I don't know that, you have to call the school and let them know so they can fix your online status. I think there's kind of a lag between that. So make sure you're calling to make sure that you're not getting marked unexcused when you're staying home because all the teachers think that you're supposed to be in school. So make sure you're updating that, taking care of that part. That's a big thing for attendance. But besides that, it's going pretty smooth. So have a good day, guys. I'll see everybody who's not in school today on the Zoom call or the Google Hangout tomorrow.